Today, Rural Funds Management is pleased to launch an entitlement offer for our Rural Funds Group, RFF. The entitlement offer is seeking $22.4 million and follows the successful completion of a placement of $12.6 million. With an aim of raising $35 million, RFF is seeking to acquire a property known as Corroboree and to develop that property into a 1,500 hectare almond orchard. The property is situated at Darlington Point, 50 kilometres south of Griffith and nearby to RFF's other almond orchards. Investors would be aware that Olam Australia Proprietary Limited has signed a lease over Corroboree for 22 years. There are several key benefits to RFF in undertaking this transaction. Firstly, it grows RFF's net assets from $153 million to $185 million. Importantly, that means for our investors, there's a larger pool of investors to trade their units with a greater number of potential buyers and sellers. Importantly, the transaction grows our funds from operation, and this in turn means that it will grow your distributions over time. Importantly also, fixed expenses will be shared over a larger equity base. The Entitlement Offer booklet will be posted to all eligible unit holders on the 7th of October. That booklet will set out how you should participate and what your entitlement is. Each eligible unit holder will be offered 2 units for every 13 units they hold as at the record date of the 2nd of October. First of all, read your Entitlement Offer booklet in full, then seek advice if you would like to. Once you've decided how many units you would like to acquire, simply multiply that number of units by $1.10, which is the acquisition price per new unit, and then pay that amount using your unique reference on the entitlement form. If you do not wish to participate, you do not have to do anything. Your entitlement would simply lapse at the end of the offer period. The advantages of participating in the entitlement offer include that you will be able to acquire RFF units at a small discount to the current trading price with no brokerage charge. In addition, by participating, you will maintain close to your current proportionate ownership of the fund. If you do not wish to participate in the offer, you do not need to do anything. As such, the number of units you own will remain the same. However, the number of units on total issue within the fund will grow, and therefore the proportion of the fund that you own will be reduced. The entitlement offer is only open for a very short period of time, so you should act quickly. The entitlement offer booklet will be posted to unit holders on the 7th of October, and that's the date that the offer opens. The offer closes a fortnight later on the 21st of October. We expect that holder statements will be dispatched on the 28th of October and normal trading of the new units will be on the 29th of October. RFM would like to take this opportunity to thank our loyal investors for their continued support. We understand that some of you have been our investors for over a decade and we value your support and loyalty. Thank you.